Welcome to our exploration of nature-based solutions, often abbreviated as NBS. In this video, we'll dive into what NBS means, why it matters, and how it's shaping the way we address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From climate change to biodiversity loss, NBS offers a holistic approach that works with nature, not against it. We'll break down key definitions, criteria, and real-world impacts, providing a comprehensive overview for anyone interested in sustainability and environmental resilience. Let's begin by understanding the core concept of nature-based solutions and why they are gaining global attention. International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, defines nature-based solutions as actions that protect, sustainably manage, and restore both natural and modified ecosystems. These actions are designed to address societal challenges in an effective and adaptive way, benefiting both people and the natural world. According to IUCN, healthy ecosystems are the foundation of NBS, providing essential benefits such as climate regulation, disaster risk reduction, and improved human well-being. This definition emphasizes the interconnectedness of human and ecological health, making NBS a powerful tool for sustainable development. European Commission and the European Union also provide a robust definition of nature-based solutions. They describe NBS as solutions to societal challenges that are inspired and supported by nature. These solutions are cost-effective and simultaneously deliver environmental, social, and economic benefits. Importantly, NBS help build resilience by bringing more diverse natural features and processes into cities, landscapes, and seascapes. The focus is on locally adapted, resource-efficient, and systemic interventions that benefit biodiversity and support a wide range of ecosystem services. Nature-based solutions play a crucial role in climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction. According to the European Environment Agency, NBS are actions that work with and enhance nature to restore and protect ecosystems. These actions help society adapt to the impacts of climate change and slow further warming, while also providing multiple additional benefits: environmental, social, and economic. NBS can include restoring wetlands, planting urban forests, or implementing natural water retention measures, all aimed at increasing resilience and reducing vulnerability. Ecosystem-based adaptation, often referenced alongside NBS, involves using ecosystem management activities to increase the resilience and reduce the vulnerability of people and ecosystems to climate change. This approach is highlighted in the IPCC glossaries and is closely linked to the broader concept of NBS. By managing ecosystems wisely, we can buffer communities against climate impacts, such as floods or heat waves, while also supporting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Nature-based solutions are also used to restore or create protective functions for society against natural hazards. By leveraging the power of nature as infrastructure, NBS can mitigate real or anticipated social and environmental challenges, such as floods, landslides, or droughts. These interventions not only protect communities but also offer co-benefits, like enhancing local biodiversity or increasing carbon storage. The PLA-NALP group of the Alpine Convention emphasizes that NBS must be designed to address specific hazards, ensuring both societal and environmental gains. One of the standout features of nature-based solutions is their multifunctionality. NBS provide a wide range of environmental, socioeconomic, and cultural benefits. They not only increase resilience to climate change, but also support biodiversity conservation, human health, recreation, tourism, and job creation. This multifunctional approach makes NBS especially valuable for communities seeking holistic, sustainable development strategies that address multiple needs at once. Nature-based solutions serve as an umbrella concept that encompasses various established approaches. These include the ecosystem approach, sustainable management, green infrastructure, blue-green infrastructure, ecosystem-based adaptation, and natural water retention measures. By integrating these diverse strategies, NBS offer a comprehensive framework for addressing climate change adaptation and disaster risk reduction, uniting different methods under a shared vision of working with nature. Nature-based solutions can be implemented at various levels of intervention. First, there's the conservation and restoration of existing ecosystems. Second, sustainable management and climate-proofing of ecosystems ensure their continued health and resilience. Third, the creation of new, engineered ecosystems can help reduce the impacts of climate change. Each level plays a unique role in building resilience and supporting both people and nature, offering flexible options for different contexts and needs. Key factor in the success of nature-based solutions is stakeholder involvement. Engaging local communities, governments, and other stakeholders in the planning and implementation of NBS increases awareness, helps resolve potential conflicts, and builds social acceptance. In Europe, about half of the analyzed cases strongly emphasize stakeholder participation, highlighting its importance in creating demand and ensuring the long-term success of NBS projects. Well-designed nature-based solutions can often be more cost-effective than traditional or gray solutions. By working with natural processes, NBS can reduce the need for expensive infrastructure, lower maintenance and operational costs, and deliver better cost-benefit ratios over their life cycle. This economic advantage makes NBS an attractive option for governments and organizations looking to maximize impact while managing budgets responsibly. Natural climate solutions, or NCS, are a subset of NBS that focus specifically on conservation and management actions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from ecosystems. These solutions harness the potential of nature to store carbon, such as through protecting forests, restoring wetlands, or improving soil health. By avoiding emissions from technical measures and increasing natural carbon storage, NCS play a vital role in climate change mitigation. Nature-based solutions offer several mitigation benefits. They help avoid greenhouse gas emissions from traditional technical measures, such as construction and maintenance of infrastructure. NBS also conserve and increase natural carbon storage in vegetation, soil, and wetlands, and reduce emissions from land use. These combined effects make NBS a powerful tool for achieving climate goals while supporting ecosystem health. To ensure the quality and effectiveness of nature-based solutions, the IUCN has developed a global standard. This framework provides guidance for designing, implementing, and verifying NBS projects. It includes a set of 8 criteria and 28 indicators, covering everything from addressing societal challenges to ensuring sustainability and adaptive management. The standard helps practitioners deliver impactful, credible, and measurable results. IUCN Global Standard outlines 8 key criteria for effective nature-based solutions. These include addressing societal challenges, designing at the appropriate scale, ensuring net gains to biodiversity, economic viability, inclusive governance, balancing trade-offs, adaptive management, and mainstreaming sustainability. Meeting these criteria ensures that NBS projects deliver real, lasting benefits for both people and the planet. The heart of nature-based solutions is the principle of working with nature. By leveraging ecosystem services, such as water purification, flood regulation, and carbon sequestration, NBS provide multiple benefits simultaneously. This approach not only addresses immediate societal challenges, but also strengthens and enhances ecosystems and biodiversity for the long term. Nature-based solutions are uniquely positioned to tackle both the climate and biodiversity crises together. By focusing on multifunctionality, NBS deliver mitigation, adaptation, environmental, social, and economic benefits all at once. This joint approach is increasingly recognized as essential for achieving global sustainability goals and ensuring a healthy future for both people and the planet. Effectiveness of nature-based solutions is well documented. For example, the IPCC AR6 report highlights that ecosystem-based adaptation approaches, such as urban greening and wetland restoration, have been highly effective in reducing flood risks and urban heat. These real-world successes demonstrate the value of NBS in building resilient communities and healthy ecosystems. Nature-based solutions often offer significant cost advantages compared to standard technical solutions. They typically have lower lifecycle costs, including maintenance, operation, and even deconstruction. This makes NBS not only environmentally sound but also economically smart, providing better value for communities and governments investing in sustainable infrastructure. Successful nature-based solutions rely on the active participation of multiple stakeholders. Planning and implementation should be inclusive, involving local communities, experts, and policymakers. This collaborative approach helps realize and optimize the benefits of NBS while also avoiding potential trade-offs and ensuring that diverse perspectives are considered. Nature-based solutions often enjoy higher public acceptance compared to technical measures. Because they work with natural processes and provide visible, tangible benefits, like green spaces, cleaner air, and improved well-being, communities are more likely to support and maintain these projects. This acceptance is crucial for the long-term success and sustainability of NBS initiatives. Despite their many advantages, nature-based solutions have limitations. Their effectiveness depends on healthy ecosystems, which are themselves vulnerable to climate change. If climate impacts become too severe, ecosystems may degrade, reducing the potential of NBS to address adaptation and disaster risk reduction. It's important to recognize these limits and plan accordingly, integrating NBS with other strategies where needed. As global temperatures rise, the effectiveness of adaptation options, including ecosystem-based and water-related solutions, may decrease. The IPCC AR6 synthesis report warns that higher levels of warming could exceed the adaptive capacity of ecosystems, leading to degradation and reduced benefits from NBS. This highlights the urgency of both mitigation and adaptation efforts to preserve the effectiveness of nature-based approaches. Nature-based solutions are increasingly being integrated into policy and practice across Europe and beyond. Reports from the European Environment Agency and other organizations highlight the growing recognition of NBS as essential tools for climate adaptation, disaster risk reduction, and sustainable development. Policymakers are encouraged to support NBS through funding, regulation, and capacity-building initiatives. Within the European Union, nature-based solutions are being mainstreamed across various policy sectors. These include urban planning, agriculture, water management, and disaster risk reduction. By embedding NBS into sectoral policies, the EU aims to create synergies, maximize benefits, and ensure that nature-based approaches are part of the solution to multiple challenges. Numerous case studies across Europe demonstrate the effectiveness of nature-based solutions. From restoring river floodplains to creating urban green corridors, these projects showcase the diverse ways NBS can be applied. Each case offers valuable lessons on design, implementation, and stakeholder engagement, helping to inform future NBS initiatives worldwide. Green infrastructure is a key component of nature-based solutions. This includes networks of natural and semi-natural areas such as parks, forests, wetlands, and green roofs which deliver ecosystem services and enhance urban resilience. By investing in green infrastructure, cities can reduce flood risks, improve air quality, and create healthier living environments for residents. Blue-green infrastructure refers to the integration of water management and green spaces in urban and rural landscapes. Examples include rain gardens, permeable pavements, and restored wetlands. These solutions help manage stormwater, reduce urban heat, and support biodiversity, making them a vital part of the NBS toolkit. Ecosystem-based disaster risk reduction is another important aspect of NBS. By restoring natural buffers like mangroves, dunes, and forests, communities can reduce the impacts of disasters such as floods, storms, and landslides. These nature-based interventions not only protect people and property, but also enhance ecosystem health and resilience. Sustainable forest management is a classic example of a nature-based solution. By managing forests in ways that maintain their ecological functions, we can support biodiversity, store carbon, and provide resources for local communities. Sustainable forestry practices help balance economic, social, and environmental goals, making them a cornerstone of NBS strategies. Natural water retention measures, such as restoring wetlands or remeandering rivers, are effective nature-based solutions for managing water resources. These interventions help reduce flood risks, improve water quality, and support wildlife. By working with natural hydrological processes, communities can build resilience to both droughts and floods. Urban greening initiatives such as planting trees, creating parks, and installing green roofs are popular nature-based solutions in cities. These projects help reduce urban heat, improve air quality, and provide recreational spaces for residents. Urban greening also supports biodiversity and enhances the overall quality of urban life. Storing wetlands is a powerful nature-based solution with multiple benefits. Wetlands act as natural sponges, absorbing excess water and reducing flood risks. They also filter pollutants, support diverse wildlife, and store significant amounts of carbon. Wetland restoration projects are increasingly recognized as vital for climate adaptation and biodiversity conservation. Restoring upstream forests is another effective nature-based solution. Healthy forests regulate water flow, reduce soil erosion, and provide habitat for wildlife. By focusing on upstream areas, communities can reduce downstream flood risks and improve water quality, creating a cascade of benefits throughout the watershed. Nature-based solutions can also drive job creation. Projects such as ecosystem restoration, sustainable agriculture, and green infrastructure development require skilled labor and ongoing management. By investing in NBS, communities can create employment opportunities while building resilience and supporting environmental goals. Nature-based solutions contribute to human health and well-being in many ways. Access to green spaces has been linked to reduced stress, improved mental health, and increased physical activity. By integrating NBS into urban and rural planning, societies can promote healthier lifestyles and enhance quality of life for all. Nature-based solutions often create new opportunities for recreation and tourism. Restored natural areas, parks, and green corridors attract visitors, support local businesses, and foster a deeper connection between people and nature. These benefits add significant value to communities both economically and culturally. At their core, nature-based solutions are about building resilience to climate change, natural hazards, and social challenges. By working with nature, communities can better withstand shocks and stresses, ensuring a safer and more sustainable future for generations to come. Adaptive management is a key principle in successful nature-based solutions. This means regularly monitoring outcomes, learning from experience, and making adjustments as needed. By staying flexible and responsive, NBS projects can remain effective even as conditions change over time. Inclusive, transparent, and empowering governance processes are essential for nature-based solutions. By involving diverse stakeholders in decision-making, NBS projects can balance different interests, ensure fairness, and build trust. This approach helps maximize benefits and minimize conflicts, leading to more successful outcomes. Nature-based solutions must equitably balance trade-offs between achieving their primary goals and providing multiple benefits. This requires careful planning and ongoing dialogue among stakeholders to ensure that no group is disproportionately affected and that the full range of benefits is realized. For nature-based solutions to reach their full potential, they must be mainstreamed within appropriate jurisdictional contexts. This means integrating NBS into laws, policies, and planning processes at local, regional, and national levels. Mainstreaming ensures that NBS become a standard part of how we address societal challenges. Continuous learning and improvement are vital for the success of nature-based solutions. By sharing experiences, conducting research, and updating practices, practitioners can enhance the effectiveness of NBS and adapt to new challenges as they arise. This culture of learning supports innovation and long-term sustainability. A wealth of resources is available for those interested in nature-based solutions. Organizations like the IUCN, European Environment Agency, and Alpine Convention provide guidelines, case studies, and policy briefs. These resources offer valuable insights for designing, implementing, and scaling up NBS projects worldwide. Nature-based solutions represent a transformative approach to addressing the interconnected challenges of climate change, biodiversity loss, and sustainable development. By working with nature, we can create resilient, healthy, and thriving communities. As we look to the future, mainstreaming NBS and investing in their continued development will be key to building a more sustainable world for all.